happened in the indoors in Boston. Gebremeskel with one shoe out-sprinted Mo Farah in the dying stages of the race. Mo Farah cannot let this happen again. He looks comfortable, Mike. It's all about Meskel, Kipchoge, Mo Farah.
250 metres to go, and Farah still has a narrow advantage from Gebremeskel in second place. Imani Merga trying to come through in third now, and he isn't beaten yet. Around the outside is Bernard Lagat now with a real charge in towards the home straight. He relinquished the lead in the 10,000 metres. Is he going to do it again? Farah hits the front. Farah starts to draw away. Lagat coming through into second place. It was only silver in the 10,000 metres. It's gold this time for Mo Farah. This time he got it right. This time he found the strength to hold on. What a performance from Mo Farah. Just 1 week after such despair and disappointment in the 10,000 metres, he turns silver into gold. Mo Farah is the men's 5,000 metres world champion.